Before we begin, welcome to Cosmic Vibes, a sacred space where cosmic energy, intuition, and destiny align. If you believe in signs from the universe, in whispers from something higher, and in the power of timing, then you're in the right place. Here we explore celestial rhythms, energetic portals, and divine synchronicities that guide you closer to your truest, wealthiest, most fulfilled life. So if you're feeling something stir inside you right now, if your intuition led you here, if you're seeing signs everywhere, pause for a moment and subscribe to Cosmic Vibes. Close your eyes for just a second and imagine this. A celestial alignment is forming. The moon is beginning her magnetic dance. The stars are taking their positions. And in the silence between each cosmic breath, you're being spoken to. Not with words, but with symbols, emotions, vibrations. You're not just living through another ordinary day. You're passing through an invisible gateway. Right now, as this video finds you, the moon is entering a critical transition, shifting from introspective Pisces into action-driven Aries. This isn't just an astronomical shift, it's a spiritual one. And it's calling you, because energy never lies, and right now, it's guiding you. This particular lunar shift is a rare amplifier. It blends inner vision with external fire. That means whatever you've been dreaming about quietly, the universe is ready to help you ignite it. And one of the strongest collective messages flowing through this portal is, a new millionaire is rising, and it's you. Some of you are already experiencing the signals. You're waking up at 3:33 or 4:44. You're seeing 11:11 everywhere. You're finding coins, feathers, or sudden messages that give you chills. You're drawn to words like millionaire, chosen, gifted, receive. These aren't coincidences. These are pings from a much higher frequency. This is not religious, this is spiritual physics. When the frequency matches the future you desire, doors open. And right now, the next door is money, wealth, overflow. Have you ever felt deep down that you were meant for something much greater than your current life? The one in your family to break every chain? The one who lives in ease while others struggle? The one who gets the house, the car, the freedom, and still has more to give? That's not ego, that's intuition. Every now and then, a specific moment arrives, like a cosmic appointment, when the invisible world pulls back the curtain and says, "Look, it's your turn now." This message, it's one of those curtains. Right now, we're entering a powerful alignment between Mars and Mercury, where thoughts fuel action and intentions begin to materialize. Mercury rules communication. Mars rules momentum. Jupiter, the planet of expansion and wealth, is harmonizing with the North Node, the energetic point tied to destiny. In simple terms, your destiny is being charged with abundance. When you align with this portal, mentally, emotionally, and vibrationally, you don't chase wealth. You mirror it. You become the frequency of millions, and millions reflect back at you. Just like the moon doesn't create light, but reflects it, your life begins to reflect the light of your inner belief. Do something powerful right now. Comment, I am ready to receive what was already mine. Because when you declare it out loud, the collective energy responds. Now breathe with me. Close your eyes for a few seconds. Imagine your millionaire life unfolding right now. See the door open. Feel the pressure leave your body. See your bank account rising. Feel the freedom, the joy, the giving. Let it be real in your body before it's real in your world. Because this is how you signal to the universe, I'm aligned now. The next 48 hours are crucial. As the moon waxes toward fullness, it strengthens intention. Ancient civilizations always used lunar cycles for financial and spiritual alignment. So tonight, when you lie down, say, I accept the wealth frequency meant for me. Place your hand over your heart. Visualize golden light surrounding your body and home. Whisper, it's done. Thank you. Let it go. That's when the energy begins to work. But maybe you still feel hesitation. That little voice. Is this real? Let's speak to it, because that voice was trained to shrink your vision. But the cosmos doesn't reward smallness. It rewards resonance. You were never meant to be stuck. That was society's program, not your soul's design. Now, the Earth's magnetic field is pulsing higher due to solar activity, flares, photon bursts, and frequency spikes. When that happens, your dominant thoughts become amplified. If you're aligned with wealth consciousness, you'll begin attracting in surreal ways. That's why the timing matters. You don't need to deserve abundance through suffering. You need to embody it through identity. Close your eyes again and imagine yourself already living in financial freedom. See it. Believe it. Say this, I am the vibration of wealth. I welcome it into my life now. The wealthy don't just act, they believe. They expect. They normalize money flowing. You can too. When you start feeling wealthy, even before seeing it, the universe has no choice but to respond. Now let's go deeper. Maybe you've seen number codes lately. 888 is the infinite wealth loop. 777 is jackpot energy. 1212 is rapid alignment. 1111 is a gateway. They're not just numbers, they're invitations. When you see them, pause and say, I receive this timeline. I am in sync with the wealth universe. Because when you respond to a sign, you reinforce the bridge between you and the higher frequency. And when that bridge is strong, things flow faster. Venus is also aligning with the fixed star Regulus, the star of royalty and financial elevation. This is a very rare placement. It means your charm, your beauty, your magnetism are amplified. It means you can attract wealth just by being. So, if you've ever asked, why not me? The stars are saying, exactly, it is you. Repeat this before sleep. I no longer chase. I align. I no longer beg. I embody. I no longer doubt. I remember. You don't need to know how the money will come. You just need to trust that it's already coming. Let the universe work the details. Before we close, remember this. Your attention creates your outcome. In quantum mechanics, the observer affects the behavior of the observed. What you focus on becomes real. So focus on wealth. Focus on flow. Focus on the evidence already forming around you. Expect your next chapter to be rich. Expect opportunities. Expect divine timing. Expect to be chosen. Because when you expect, the universe delivers. If you felt this message in your soul, let it ripple. Comment below. I am the next millionaire. It is done. Subscribe to Cosmic Vibes. Share this with someone who needs to be reminded that they are next. You might be the miracle they've been waiting for. And your own miracle? It starts now. The signs are too clear. You are the next millionaire, and the universe has already confirmed it.